Hi, this is Katara with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at signing an advanced directive. Now, as it states here, an advanced directive is a document that allows a principal, a person, to select someone else to make healthcare decisions if they're not able to for themselves. For this session, it will need to be witnessed by two people. So we have three people who will be attending this advanced directive signing. So we have the principal, who is Zoe. We have two witnesses, Owen, and we have Theo. This document was already filled out by Zoe a little bit before, so we're not checking the content or what Zoe's wishes are. We just want to make sure there are no blanks and that everything is initialed and signed where it needs to be. So we see here on this first page that Zoe has checked that she has medical power of attorney. But there's a blank space right here, and this is where Zoe's initials need to go. So I'm going to press number 2 as a hotkey, and that's going to allow me to get initials. So I'm going to put Zoe's initials here, and it's just going to be a little box I can put there to have her initial. So Zoe has filled this out, but here it gives an option for an alternate agent, but she's left that blank. But we don't want any blanks on this document. So let's put a T and put not given, because we don't want any blanks or someone to add alternate agent that Zoe doesn't want later if she's incapacitated. So let's do that a couple of more times just to make sure there are no blanks here. So I'm going to write not given. And again. And one more time. And here I can just write NA for the cell phone number. So I'm going to put a T, put NA, no cell phone number. So we want to make sure that that is completely filled in so nothing can be altered afterwards. So moving down to part 2, the living will, Zoe has checked she does not have a living will, and part 2, this section is left intentionally blank. So let's put Zoe's initials here in this blank space. So I'm going to press number 2 hotkey, and I'm going to choose her initials and put that right here. And now on this page, we have the signature page for Zoe and for the witnesses. So let's put their information in. So this day, let's put in a text box here. So this is the 10th day of, and I'm going to put another text box here, October. Another text box for 2025, and the principal signature, which is Zoe. So I'm going to press S and choose Zoe's name and put that here. It's a little smaller so it fits on this line. And then Zoe's printed name, I'm going to press the 1 hotkey and bring up Zoe's name and put it here. Now for the witnesses, let's put their signatures and names. So I'm going to press S, and we'll have Owen be witness number 1. Put that here. I'm going to press the 1 hotkey for Owen's name. Put that here. And for the date, I'm going to press the D hotkey for the date and put that here. And let's do the same for Theo. So I'm going to press S, Theo. I'm going to press 1. Press D, date, here. Okay. And so now that that's filled out, once I've sworn Zoe to this document, I can go ahead and fill out my notary acknowledgement. So I'm going to do a text box. I'm going to press T, State of New York. And I'm going to put text box or County of Orange. And I'm going to do a text box for 10th. Text box for October. And text box for 25. Here. So here I'm certifying that the principal, and I want to put Zoe's name here. I'm going to press 1 and put Zoe's name. And again, I need to put the day that this is being signed. So I'm going to do a text box 10th. Text box for October. Text box for 25. And now I can drop my signature. Let's adopt this signature. My printed name. And my commission expiry date, which is hotkey number 7. And of course, my notary seal. And to end it off, I'm going to ask Zoe if everything in this document looks correct before we complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.